Whitlam Labor cut tariffs in 1973. Fraser Liberal did not reverse. Hawke-Keating Labor cut deeper in 1988 and 1991. Howard Liberal completed the program through 2001. Rudd-Gillard Labor presided over Mitsubishi's closure in 2008. Abbott Liberal dared Holden to leave in December 2013. 8 Prime Ministers, 4 parties, 1 outcome. Lesson 3. A country that forgets how to make things forgets how to defend them. The 2020 COVID supply chain reckoning revealed a country that could not domestically manufacture surgical masks, ventilators or pharmaceuticals at the scale a pandemic required. The 2021 AUKUS announcement revealed a country that needed allied partners to build its next generation of submarines. The sovereignty Lewis built in 5 years took 44 years to dismantle. 8 Australian Prime Ministers personally signed the documents that did it. 4 Australian political parties voted for them. Not one of them stood up in the House of Representatives between July 1973 and December 2013 to say the dismantling was unwise. The bipartisan consensus held. The capability did not. It is unlikely to be rebuilt in this generation. The Holden plant at Elizabeth has been demolished. The site is being redeveloped. The Toyota plant at Altona has been sold. The Ford plant at Geelong has been converted to logistics. Between 1942 and 2017, the country that armed the Pacific deliberately destroyed every capability that built the first. The country that armed the Pacific in 1942 did not, in 2017, ask any successor to make the next.